At this point, it's another hour. Are you on your way to the office now, or what?
Yeah, I'm just heading on to Win for a drive.
Oh, okay. Like, yeah, I don't know. Is this one scheduled at 9 a.m., correct?
Yeah. So I just, okay, so somebody just brake checked me and I rear-ended them.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay, let me have to back up.
Story and the like chaos that ensues. And the point is an entirely valid one. Those of us who object to it generally are doing so in a might be needed.
All right, so you brake checked me there.
I did.
Yeah, you did. There was the guy who kept going and you stopped for no reason.
At this point, it's another hour. Are you on your way to the office now, or what?
Yeah, I'm just heading on to Win for a drive.
Oh, okay. Like, yeah, I don't know.
Paramedic and a large a Home Depot opened right at the street corner we're supposed to sit at. Me and my partner were both new homeowners, as was the police.
What happened?
Accident.
Oh, shit.
Yep. Just 1 second real quick.
Oh, fuck! Shit!
So, nigga, you white too. Touch me if you want to, bitches. I got shit to do with you, hoe. Fuck around too. Bitch, I'm saying right here, bitch. Fuck you on that bitch that's in my car. Nah, bitch, why you right here? Why you right here then? Why you right here then? Touch me. Touch me. Touch me. Touch me, yeah. Yes, nigga, I'm standing over here.
When she come over here, she gonna take two to the face.
You know, bitch ass, don't let me do this shit. If you touch me, I bet if you touch me, I'm not
Dude, what is that about things? Maybe we should back up a little bit.
Yeah, nigga, she was that car, press that bitch in her head.
Yeah, look at me. No, police. Hey, what you did?
Hey,
what you did?
What she did? Going nowhere, ho.
What she did?
They call me Memphis, you hear me? Get on my Facebook, D-Right, I be rapping, my rap name Queen Destiny.
Yes!
I can't believe it.
Do you think there are more buildings than there are actually people?
Oh, yes. Oh, shit. And he's going backwards. Shit.
Oh, my God.
Whoa.
That's very dangerous now.
Yes, he's gone.
Wonder why they closed just that fast. That's the second person I've seen go through a red light today.
Before
Yeah, I don't get why people do that. They start using the single as they're coming in. It's like, you're already like in here.
Hey, it's the cops.
Oh yeah, you're right. And we missed the light because everybody has to try to get one car ahead. I don't know how people can live in this city for so long though. Really? Really? There's a dash camera.
Road, buddy, it's not just yours.
There's a dash camera right there. This is road rage. And you didn't indicate when you first started coming over. It's all on dash camera. You fucking dunce.
How dumb are people?
That's what I mean about old people, man. They literally cut you off, and it's never their fault. It's everybody else's fault on the road but theirs.
All right, I'm gonna get in the lane, not indicate, and then indicate as I'm in the lane, and then get mad at you for getting mad at me because I cut you off.
Love to hear from you. It's Anthony.Vela. That's at KCRW.com. With that being said, let's get back to music. Here's Music Soul Child covering a couple of classics over some J Dilla beats. I'm a big fan of this project. It's KCRW.
This is All Things Considered from NPR News. Thanks for joining us for All Things Considered here on Marfa Public Radio. This is Julie Bernal. Senator John Cornyn wants to see the U.S.-Mexico border remain open despite President Trump's decision to partially close the one with Canada. Speaking on a call with reporters earlier today, the Texas Republican said he would not...
Drive, Bob. Oh my God.
Holy fuck!
And you were talking about
Dashcam.
That's on my dash cam.
We have to stop there, yeah. What's going on, ma'am? You don't know how to drive, so what's going on?
You got a fucking problem?
No, do you have a problem? You don't know how to drive?
You goddamn fucking cut me off on the goddamn road and then were flipping me off the whole fucking time.
I didn't cut off and flip off anybody.
Oh, bullshit. I got it on fucking camera.
Because you came over here with a fucking camera, bro. You were
my
brake checking
camera's on
everybody.
my
Are you
phone.
fucking kidding me?
That guy was raiding my fucking
Maybe
ass,
you
and
should get out
so
of the
were
fucking
you.
passing lane, you fucking idiot. That's
You
a passing
want to
lane.
sit here and call me names?
Yeah.
Pussy, get out.
Hit me, bro.
Get out, pussy.
Okay. All right.
Get out.
Okay. All right, bet. What you gonna do about it, bro? What's up?
What's that?
What's up, bro? I'm out of the car.
What's up?
You
You're a
do
fucking
anything?
man?
You
You're
gonna
gonna do
anything about
something?
it? I
You're a
don't hit
fucking
women,
man?
pussy.
You're a fucking pussy.
You're a fucking pussy.
You better
Learn
fucking
how to fucking
realize
drive, you
who you're
fucking
fucking
retard.
deal with.
Oh, you don't know how to deal with.
You don't know
Let me get
who
your
you're
license
fucking
plate.
deal
Get
with.
the fuck off me.
Don't fucking push me.
Who the fuck are you? Get the
Fucking
fuck
push
off
me.
bro.
You fucking pushed me. Want to put your hands on me one more fucking time? You want to put your hands on me one more time?
Why are you hiding your plate?
You want to put your hands
Why are
on?
you hiding your
You can
plate?
have my fucking plate.
Thank you.
As I've already got yours.
That's okay.
And you
I've done
better
nothing
stay
wrong.
right here because I'm calling the cops.
That's okay.
Everybody saw him push
That's
me
okay.
first.
No. Did you see that?
And I bet
Stand next to the man if you proper. That take care of birds like damn. Told me so I'm out for revenge like when the pen back cousins. Every hoe we go.